Mick, thank you so much for taking a vital time out of your day to chat with us. Obviously, you're here to chat with Miriam as well and give some performances, which we'll catch later. Album week. How exciting is this week for you? I mean, do you love doing all these things? And on the other side, or is it all about the music?
It's exciting. It's because it only happens every 2 years. If it ever happens again, I'm not sure. But no, it's. I'm looking forward to it.
Saturday night, it's February.
Red Flea went to #1 and there was a massive reaction to it, and the critical game was incredible at the time. Was that something that you knew when you were writing it, that it was going to be...
No, not
really?
at all. No. I mean, you'd really, just before releasing an album, you really worried, is this total crap? Like, you worry about what you would think about, you know, if people, if everybody universally thought it was crap.
Would that matter to you, though? As long as it still meant something to you?
It's hypocritical, no, because I actually still worry about that. I worry about the chance that everyone thinks it's crap.
Only gonna get what I give on a Saturday night in February.
Before obviously moving into By the Rule, you moved to Berlin. What is it about the city that, I guess, speaks to so many musicians?
It's a good city to live in as a young person, I suppose. There's a lot of freedom there that you don't really get in Ireland, I suppose. And there's just various types of things like that where people were non-judgmental and you were given responsibility for your own self. You know, I suppose the language barrier had something to do with it because it made me more isolated.
Yeah.
In the sense that I couldn't.
You got no German?
I did try. I went back to school over there. I went knapsack on my back, and then once, you know, for a month, 4 hours a day trying to learn German.
And are you getting there, or?
Well, I stopped now. I quit school again.
Down to the bottom, when I found me a seat on a rock down there, and just when I thought I...
And obviously, the title, I said, By the Rule. Why By the Rule? What does that mean? What is it to you?
It's kind of, I was reading some philosophy books over there. It's kind of half influenced by a guy called Casey Black, who's a songwriter from America. He talks about, you know, there must be a good way to live.
Yeah.
But I just don't know what it is.
Not even a God to have